In this video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook page. First of all, open the Facebook application. To delete the page, first open it. For that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Facebook menu will open. At the top of the menu, you will see an arrow in front of your Facebook username. Tap on it. Your all accounts and pages will appear here. Tap on the page that you want to select. You will be switched to that page. Now here, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. On the menu page, tap on the settings gear icon at the top. Settings and privacy will open. Scroll down and under the your information section, tap on the access and control option. On the next screen, you will see options to deactivate or delete your page. Tap on the delete page option to select it. Then tap on continue from the bottom. Tap again on continue. Now if you want to save your Facebook post in your archive or you want to download your information before permanently deleting your account, you can do it from here. Otherwise, simply tap on continue. After that, enter your Facebook password here. Once you do so, then tap on continue and your account will be permanently deleted. And this is how you can delete a Facebook page.